In today's presentation, we are talking about how to turn customer profiles into a goldmine of new commercial cleaning accounts. There is no super duper secret marketing tactic that always works. If business was that easy, we would all be billionaires. But what we can do is increase our probabilities of success. That's the goal here. It's counterintuitive. Most people think they would rather be number 50 in a large market than number 1 in a medium or small market, but the opposite is true. We start this blog with Malcolm Gladwell's book called David and Goliath: Underdogs, Misfits, and the Art of Battling Giants. People always think of the story with David being the underdog. But he was a sharpshooter with this big guy standing in the middle of a field. Same thing happens with commercial cleaning services. We are better off being number 1 in a market of 50,000 people than being number 50 in a market of 500,000 people. The big thing is you really build up self-confidence being number 1, even though the market is smaller. You can always grow from there into other markets and repeat the cycle. The next question, of course, is how do we narrow down our prospect list into a manageable number? The goal of this presentation is we want to contact 1,000 businesses 10 times and not contact 10,000 businesses one time. We want to be in front of them and dominate.